In this strategy, we are going to use 3 free TradingView indicators, and this strategy works in all markets. So watch till end to know everything about this strategy. But before that, let me show you what you will see in this video. First, 3 free TradingView indicators. Second, their most profitable settings. Third, conditions for entering into a trade. Fourth, where to place your stop loss and take profit. Fifth, how it works in Forex, stock and crypto market. And sixth, some don'ts in this strategy. So now, without any further late, let's get in. Let's add our first indicator called linear regression candles. After adding that indicator, change its settings exactly as shown in this video. Now, what's the difference you may think? I mean, it's showing the same chart as before, right? Well, this indicator will help us indirectly, not directly. How? To know that, let's add our second indicator, which is called HMA. Now change its settings exactly as shown here. Notice how we used linear regression candles as source. That's how our first indicator is helping us indirectly. So now let's see how it works. Works good, but let's add another indicator to be extra safe. So the last indicator that we are going to use is called UT boat alerts. Now change its settings exactly as shown here. Now our whole trading setup is complete. Now let's talk about how to enter into a trade. So to get into a profitable buy trade, the price must be above the HMA line and UT boat alerts must give you a buy signal. And remember, don't get in trade as soon as the price crosses the HMA line or the UT boat alerts give you a buy signal. Wait for 2 candlesticks. If both candlesticks close above the HMA line, then go for the buy. And now, to get into a profitable sell trade, the price must be below the HMA line and UT boat alerts must give you a sell signal. And here also, don't get into the trade as soon as the price crosses the HMA line or the UT boat alerts give you a sell signal. Wait for 2 candlesticks. If both candlesticks close below the HMA line, then go for sell. Okay, great. Now let's see where to place your take profit and stop loss. So you can place your stop loss near the last swing level. And to talk about take profit, you can set your take profit 1.5 times higher than the stop loss or near the last swing level. But remember, don't forget about your trade after setting your take profit 1.5 times higher than the stop loss. Check charts frequently. Check whether there are any chances of trend changes. If you see something like that, then exit your trade right there. Don't wait for take profit. Alright, now let's see how it works in Forex, stock and crypto markets. Works great. Now let's see some things which you should avoid if you want to trade profitably using this strategy. First, use higher time frames. This strategy works best in higher time frame. You can use this strategy in lower time frame as well, but it might give you some false signals. Second, never trade in range market. These indicators can give you too many false signals in range market, so avoid that. Third, follow the trend for higher profits. Even if the UT bot alert shows buy, wait till the price cross above the HMA line. Same goes with sell. Don't enter into a sell trade just because UT bot alert gave you a sell signal. Wait till the price goes below the HMA line.